Hi guys, today we will teach you the basic about HTML. So let's start in introduction. So what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML describes the structure or web pages using markup. Elements are the building blocks of HTML pages. HTML elements are represented by tags. HTML tags label pieces of content such as heading, paragraph, table, and so on. Browsers do not display the HTML tags but use them to render the content of the page. I'll show you how to code hello world in HTML. But first, you need to know the use of every codes in HTML. This one is the declaration defines the document to be HTML5. The HTML element is the root element of an HTML page. The head element contains meta information about the documents. The title element specifies a title for the document. The body element contains the visible page content. The H1 element defines a large heading. Heading defines with the H1 to H6. The P element defines the paragraph. Let us put some design in our hello world in CSS. Using CSS. But you need to know what is CSS is. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. It describes how each HTML elements are to be displayed on screen, paper, or in other media. Added to HTML elements in three ways: the inline, the external, and the internal CSS is defined in the head section of the HTML page within a style element. Example. And the last one is the external style sheet. This is the standard form of the CSS. An external style sheet is used to define the style for many HTML pages. To use an external style sheet, add a link to it in the head section for the HTML page. This is the code.